Did you accidentally delete a take, do some other stuff, and you can't Command-Z your way out of this? There is actually a way to recover that deleted take. So the good news is it's not actually gone. The bad news is finding it is a little tedious, but it can be done, so I'll show you how. I'm Kimera, by the way, vocal producer and plugin developer. You can get free trials of all my plugins in the description below. All right, every time you record a new clip, or even every time you split a clip, it creates a new file. These files can quickly be accessed by the clips list, which if you click this tiny button down here that no one can see and expand this out, this is all of your audio files. This would obviously be a lot to dig through to find the one. So to make it a little easier on yourself, anytime you click on a file in the edit window, it's gonna highlight it. So if the take you're looking for is to replace this, or maybe it comes right after that, click on the one that's nearest to the take you're looking for, and that is a good starting point. It's probably gonna be one of the ones above or below it. Then you can listen to these clips by holding the Option key. Notice it turns into a little microphone. And then from here, you know what you have to do. It is a very joyful moment when you actually find it though, and then all you have to do is drag that clip to the timeline anywhere, switch into spot mode, click on that, and see right here where it says original timestamp, pop that up here, click OK, and it just moved it to where it originally lived. Another way to find this file, if you just recorded it very recently, would be to go to your audio files folder, sort it by date modified, and it's probably one of the ones towards the top of the list if you just recorded it recently. There is a third way that you can find this, and that would be to actually open up one of your session file backups. So if you think, you know, 5 minutes ago, you probably had the take undeleted, you can open this up, check if it's in there, import that session data from that session file backup, and just drop in the lead vocal tracks or whatever you're looking for, and hopefully it's there. But I highly, highly recommend doing your comping using Pro Tools' playlist function. So you will always have all your takes hiding under here if you need to go back and find the old take. I hope this helped. If you're looking for vocal production videos, I think you'll like this playlist next. And before you go, make sure you click subscribe and grab some free trials of my plugins in the link below. I'll see you in the next video.